Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR torque wrench. That's nice. It comes with a case. Okay, so it does come with a manual, and this is something I always like to see. It actually comes with an inspection certificate, so we know somebody actually looked at this torque wrench to make sure that it was within spec. So when they set it to 30 foot-pounds, it got 30.1, 30.06, 30.06, 30.08. I actually tested this 5 times. So that is a super accurate torque wrench at 30 foot-pounds. At 90, we got 91, 90.32, 89.86, 99.9, 91.28. So still within about a foot and a half. And then at 150 foot-pounds, it looks like we stayed within 1 foot-pound. So very nice. I'm glad that they put this in there. Most of the time I use this just to know if I need to offset which direction I need to go, but this one, it looks like it is close enough. I wouldn't even have to worry about it. So here is the torque wrench. So on the top we got foot-pounds, and this goes up to 150 foot-pounds. On the back we have got newton meters, so that is equivalent to 203 newton meters. And this is the style of adjustment that I like. It's got this little collar you pull down, so all you gotta do is pull that down and you can quickly adjust that. That is so much nicer than the ones where you have to twist on the back. They always come loose. This is just so much nicer. And we can also see if we're in between numbers, that collar stays back, and then it locks into place when we get there. So very nice style of torque wrench. That is a 1/2 inch drive, and it is a push button release. So that means that if we need to change out that socket one-handed, we can do that. It is also reversible. Actually has a very nice filling ratchet on there as well. In the box we also have an extension in case we got to get a little bit further in. It is chrome vanadium, and it has a knurled grip if we need to spin that with our fingers. And we also have 2 adapters, so it goes from a 1/2 inch to a 3/8 or a quarter. That way if we don't have the socket we need in 1/2 inch, we can still make that work with this. And this is one thing that I really want to stress, because not all manufacturers actually make a case that's long enough for a torque wrench after you have it completely unadjusted, because as you spin this down, this handle is going to slowly back out. So if you have that adjusted to 0, as you're supposed to with a torque wrench, sometimes they don't fit. With this one, it does. So they actually designed this case correctly. So I'm going to set this for 100 foot-pounds. So we got the 0 lining up with the 100. And let's torque this guy down. Oh, already there. Cool. Got a nice positive click on it. That is a very nice torque wrench.